Hi investors, it's Bernice Retzloff with TurnkeyInvest.com. I help investors just like yourself buy and sell great real estate right here in Memphis, Tennessee and the surrounding areas just like this one behind me. Today we are in the 38107 taking a look at a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property in a B-class neighborhood just outside the Volantine Evergreen District. Let's go take a look. Today we are at 996 North Claybrook Street in Memphis, Tennessee in the 38107. This property is listed for sale at $135,000 flat, built in 1973, and has a square footage of 1,125 square feet. Panning to the back here, it is directly across from the school, which is an indicator that it is a safe street. This property is also in proximity of Klondike Park, which is actually right there, and 7 minutes away from Overton Park, which also houses the zoo as well, 10 minutes away from downtown, and 11 minutes from Midtown. We have new exterior paint on this property here, brand new black shutters, brand new roof as well, 1-car drive. Let's take a look inside. Security door out front. Thank you so much for tuning into our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are greeted with the living room. We do have brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire home. Brand new paint as well. New energy efficient lighting throughout too. That helps keep your residents' utility costs down. Spacious living room here. Perfect for a couch maybe in that corner, TV on this wall. Exiting the living room, we do have an EN kitchen here. The dining table would overlook the front yard and the street out front. Lots of natural light coming through these windows here. Beautiful cabinets in the kitchen. Brand new countertops. Brand new vent-a-hood. Stainless steel sink. Washer box over here. Here we have the pantry for this kitchen. Deep pantry, lots of shelving. Before we head to the bedrooms, I would like to talk numbers with you. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $135,000 flat and a target monthly rent of $1,065 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 7.41% and a cash-on-cash return of 5.51%. Your total cash needed to close would be $40,250, resulting in a monthly cash flow of $184.89 a month. Let's go take a look at these bedrooms. Exiting the living room, before we leave the living room, I did want to show you this coat or storage closet. That luxury vinyl plank flooring flows into the bottom. We have wood shelving and a rod for coats to hang up top. Heading down the hallway adjacent from the kitchen, we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 could fit a full bed and a dresser. Here we have the closet for bedroom number 3. That luxury vinyl plank flooring goes into the bottom, wood shelving, and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes up top. This is a long closet, pretty spacious. Continuing down the hall, taking a left here, we have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 could fit a full bed or a queen and a dresser with room to spare. Take a look at the closet for bedroom number 2. About the same size as bedroom number 1's closet. Another spacious, long closet. Wood shelving up top and a rod up top as well. Directly across the hall, we have bedroom number 1. Look at that natural light in this bedroom. Gorgeous. This bedroom would easily fit a queen and a dresser with room to spare. Here we have the closet for bedroom number 1. Slightly deeper than the previous closets, a little shorter in length, but still very spacious. Luxury vinyl plank flooring in the bottom, wood shelving and a rod up top. Now I'm gonna take you to the shared bathroom. This is just before bedrooms 1 and 2 at the end of the hall. We have tile surround in the shower. Brand new vanity. Here we have the linen closet. Lots of shelving for storage. Luxury vinyl plank flooring flows into the bottom. Let's go ahead and head out back and take a look at the backyard. Here we are on the right side of the property. We have the right side entrance door to the property here with a security door on it. Just off of the driveway. Here we have the beautiful gate out back, brand new gate. It is a fenced in backyard. Partial chain link fence. Partial wood fence. We also recently installed a new HVAC system, new condenser, new furnace. This property does have a new roof, new water heater as well. This is a turnkey property that we fully renovated ourselves. It is turnkey, ready for a resident to move in. This property is also centrally located, with it being just 3 minutes away from I-40, making getting anywhere in Memphis an absolute breeze. Like I stated earlier, there is a school directly across the street, making this property very safe. Thank you so much for going on this lovely tour with me of one of our turnkey renovated properties. If you have any further questions about this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have general questions about investing in Memphis and the surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. We also have other properties listed on our website if this one doesn't quite fit your buy box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.